Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm recreating Priyanka Chopra's Cannes 2019 look, well, one of them. So I had recently put up a poll on my Instagram asking whether you guys want to see this look, and a lot of you said yes. Almost 86% of you guys, so that's the reason I'm creating this look. And I would also be linking my Instagram handle in the bottom bar, so do check it out and do connect with me there because a lot of fun happens there and I don't want you guys to miss it. Alright, coming back to the point, so this is the look that I have created. I was not able to make out what she was wearing on her eyes because she has some major hooded eyes. I've put on some shadows which I think go with this look and what I think she was wearing. So of course I'm using different products. I couldn't make sure whether she was wearing falsies or not, but I chose not to because I wanted this Aqua Blue eyeliner to show through. So yeah, I gave enough disclaimers, I think. So if you like what you see and want to know how I recreated this, then you know what to do. Stay here, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I am going to take my NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette in the variant Warm Rust, and I'm taking the lightest brown in the palette and putting it on my crease. It'll act as my transition shade. It'll give me some depth in my crease, and I'm taking my time there because yeah, that's like one of the most important steps. Then up next, I'm taking the deepest darkest brown shade in the palette and taking a smaller brush and packing the color on the corners of my eyes, and again taking the fluffy blending brush and blending this hot mess out. So guys, we definitely need to take our time in this step because when we are working with neutral kind of shades, your savior can only be your blending skills, because if it's not blended, it's not gonna look good. So up next, I'm taking the second shade from the first row. Oh god, it's so difficult to describe shades when they don't have names. Any which ways, I'm putting it on my lid and just making sure the whole look is tied together. And then I'm taking the deepest darkest shade with the first light brown shade and putting it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible stick and just mapping or sketching out where I want my liner to be. I'm keeping it a little thick because I want it to show through my mascara, and blah, I'm done. Not blah, actually bam, but whatever. So next I'm taking my Deborah Milano liquid liner and just making that aquamarine, that almost like a blue teal shade, much more visible. Now that's more like it. This is what I like. And then I'm taking my Makeuprevolution My Sign Aquarius shadow palette and taking those two shades and placing it on the liner when it's a little wet, not too wet but a little wet, because Priyanka had this like a frosty kind of a liner, almost like a tint of green, a little bit of blue and a hint of purple. So I don't know exactly what shadow she was using, but this is the closest that I could have come up with. And yeah, meanwhile I was chit-chatting with you guys. I'm almost done with my brows. Oh no, I'm actually on my brows. So I've taken one of my favorite Benefit Goof Proof pencil and I'm doing my brows. I'm making them a little thick because Priyanka, god, she has eyebrows of a goddess. Honestly, those are most perfectly shaped eyebrows that I've seen. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Master Contour palette and I'm taking that highlighter shade and placing it all over my high points of my face. And then to pack a punch, I'm taking a smaller brush. It's from Wet n Wild, I think, and just packing a punch with my highlighter. Well, so I didn't have an exact shade dupe for her lipstick, so I'm just doing a hit and trial here. I'm taking the shade Barely Brown, I think, from Pack Cosmetics as my lip liner, and again I'm overdrawing my lips because again Priyanka has some beautifully shaped and lush lips and I don't, so I'm doing what I can. And then I'm taking my lipstick in the shade Nutcracker, again from Pack Cosmetics, and placing it on my lips. And just to give it a little purplish tint, I'm also using my Smashbox lipstick, always on lipstick. And as you can see, I'm not getting the whole pigment out of it because I don't want that. I'm just very very lightly rubbing it through. Guys, this is how I have recreated Priyanka Chopra's Cannes 2019 look, well, one of them. So I hope you had fun watching this video, because honestly I had a blast filming it for you guys. And if there are any more suggestions, any more recreations that you guys want me to do, please mention in the comment section so that I can go ahead and do that for you guys. I will see you super soon in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.